Hmm. Meanwhile, yung isa, hinamon pa ng suntukan yung isang kapatid ko who's like half his age.
Hindi makapaniwala ang maraming followers ni Ellen Adarna sa ibinunyag ng aktres tungkol sa umano'y paghahamon ng suntukan ng kanyang estranged husband na si Derek Ramsey sa dati niyang karelasyon na si John Lloyd Cruz, pati na rin sa kanyang kapatid na halos kalahati ng edad ni Derek. Mas lalo pang ikinagulat ng publiko ang revelasyon ni Ellen na hindi siya binibigyan ng allowance ni Derek Ramsey dahil hindi naman umano siya pokpok para bayaran. Iyan at ang iba pang nakakagulat na pahayag ni Ellen Adarna tungkol kay Derek Ramsey sa pamamagitan ng kanyang IG stories ngayong Sabado, February 21. Panoorin natin.
Ay, buti ka pa. Ako never. Well, at the time, October, November, December, I was okay with it because, wala, it didn't really bother me because kaya ko naman eh. I mean, I can support Liana myself. But then it was my family who like knocked some sense into my head over the holidays when we spoke about it. They were like, what? Wala pa siyang bigay? You know what? Parang like, kung wala siyang bigay, then no, don't let him see Lily. Simple as that. Don't beg. Don't ask for anything. But if he doesn't give, then no Lily. Diba? Parang, ano kasi naswerte? Tama lang naman. So there, when I told them January na, yun na yung rules ko. Kung hindi kayo magbigay, din walang Lily. So, yun, dumating yung credit card 2 weeks ago. In fairness talaga kay JL Deque, wala akong masabi. Hindi na kailangan, pagsabihan. And wag niyo na tong gawang chismis ha, kasi JL and I are better off as co-parents, as in super okay kami sa co-parenting namin. Chika lang. So when he found out that we moved houses, of course Elias anak niya kasama, you know what he offered, like, Len, kung ano man kailangan niyo, just let me know, baka makatulong kami. Di ba? Ay, nagkusa. No. So there, iba't iba talaga ang taong ganyan. Yung kusa and, what is it? Meanwhile, yung isa, hinamon pa ng suntukan yung isang kapatid ko who's like half his age. Tuesday, it was a topic before, like husbands giving allowances to their wives, and sabi witness yung mga friends ko nito. They were there when he said it. Ba't ko bibigyan ng allowance yung asawa ko? Ano siya, pokpok, bayaran? Naiyahang panindigan. So, to be honest, Dino, ang kasama sa group chat, hindi lang ex-girlfriends, and I didn't create that group chat. I was invited. There are ex-friends, ex-best friends, ex-girlfriends, and ex-family members of his, and some family members of his. That's part of the group chat. So, yeah, interesting. Active pa rin yung GC.
Samantala, may isang follower ang nagbigay ng famous line ni JLC bilang si Popoy sa pelikula kung saan si Derek Ramsey ang ka-eksena niya. Nakasaad dito, malaki ka lang pero hindi mo ko kaya. Komento ni Ellen bilang patunay ay walang sinabi day. Fun fact, hinamon din niya ng away si JL in real life. Hashtag truth. Pero hindi daw natuloy ang suntukan dahil hindi pinatulan ni John Lloyd si Derek. Kwento ni Ellen, ang daming nag-message. Basta ang importante, ang ending. Ang ending ay hindi siya pinatulan. Walang suntukan kasi puro siya ingay, dada o salita. Parang chihuahua. Na-hypnotize ata si JL sa dami ng sinabi. Nagulahan ata at nalito. This happened twice.